now you won by forfeiture. Seems that this is an easy way for you to win. So what can you say about that?
Well, sa ngayon, medyo very kasi they all eager to play. No? Sometimes, one more thing, the boys are ready to play for this game. So, very positive. Sayang.
So sir, you're going straight to the quarterfinals. Meron pa kayong special preparations for that?
Nothing unusual, but same thing. Every approach to every game, always defense. That's the main. That's the main character of our team. Defense all the way. Our offense starts always with our good defense. So basically, that's what we're going to be doing every single time that we're going to be up against any other team. So nothing much, nothing new.
Sir, alam naman natin na DSM Manila is an unbeaten team. So, in case manalo kayo sa quarterfinals, papahirapan nyo ba sila?
They're a good team. There are a lot of additional roster to their lineup compared to the one that we were up against last year. I think it's going to be a good game, but all I can say is they're going to be expecting good competition in that particular game.